Hey guys, today I'm going to do some wings in the wok. So let's get walking. These wings were kind of expensive. I just opened them up. These are organic wings. They were $4.49 per pound, so $5.57 for that many wings. It's 1.24 pounds, so about a pound and a quarter. And you know what? They put these, I noticed with chicken lately, they put this like thing in the bottom and it's kind of soaked with water, so kind of adds to the weight. So it doesn't seem like I really got much for my money here, but I'm going to season these wings with this Kinder's Mild BBQ Rub. Now hopefully this rub won't burn in the wok. I think I did use it in there before and it worked okay. So like I said, hopefully it won't burn. Just kind of do both sides here. I think I'll start these off on kind of medium heat and see how it goes here. I'm going to add some avocado oil to the pan. I always use avocado oil for my cooking in the wok. This has a 500-degree smoke point, so it works pretty good. Now we'll get the chicken wings in there and kind of stir them around a little bit. It's kind of so there's oil underneath them. And I think I'm just going to put the lid on them for a little bit because it'll keep them from splattering so much. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to see how these are doing here. They're looking pretty good. I like that lid because it keeps the grease from splattering all over the place. Plus it kind of keeps the heat in so they cook faster. That one got a little bit dark, but that one got a little darker there too, but they're not burned, they look good. So I think I'll just keep an eye on these and keep flipping them like this until they're done. I think I might turn the heat down just a little bit because some of those are getting a little bit dark. It's pretty easy to adjust the heat, you know, so those look good. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put the heat a little lower and get the lid back on there. I'll just kind of keep flipping them until they're done, and then I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to them. It's been about 25 minutes, and I've been moving these around a little bit. I just want to make sure these drumettes are 165 degrees. Oh yeah, that one's about 168, so I think we're good. I think I'm going to go ahead and shut those off right there. These look nice and crispy the way I like them. There's some grease in the bottom of the pan, so I think what I'm going to do is put them in this bowl and then just add the barbecue sauce to the bowl so I won't be diluting it down in all that grease there. Look at that, those look really good. Sauce them up. This is Kinder's Mild BBQ sauce I'm putting on there. These look so good. I love wings. Let's grab that drumette right there and try that out. So good. I had the door open, so we have a guest taste tester dog in here too. Lucy's over here. Should we give some to Lucy too, Annie? All right, here you go, Annie. There you go, Luce. Looks like it's approved by both dogs. Those turned out really good for that amount of wings. The wok was perfect. And I had the heat turned down low most of the time, and then I just kind of kept moving them around a little bit so they wouldn't burn. But they were nice and crispy, had really good flavor. I was really happy with those. Just wish I had a little more. Anyway, thanks for watching. Walk on.